Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making saffron flavored chena murgi. This is a very simple and very delicious sweet dish. For this we need 200 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, 200 grams of sugar, water, cardamom, dry fruits and saffron, and little milk to dissolve saffron. So first take cottage cheese, cut them into 1 inches cubes. Now our cottage cheese is cut, so we'll take sugar in a pan, add little water, very little water because we want very thick syrup, 5 to 7 teaspoon of water. Let us give some flavor. We'll add cardamom, give a mix and let it boil. Now you can see our syrup is boiling. We will add saffron dissolved in milk and mix it. Now we will add cottage cheese and stir continuously. You have to cook it around 10 minutes, stirring continuously till the sugar is crystallized again. So the flavor of saffron will be absorbed by cottage cheese. Now you can see our sugar is crystallizing. So lower the flame and stir it continuously again. Now we will switch off the induction, but we have to stir it continuously again till the sugar is completely crystallized. Now you can see our sugar is crystallized. Now we will serve. Garnish it with dry fruits. Add random dry fruits, cashew nut, watermelon seed, whatever you have, and your instant saffron flavored chena murgi is ready. So try this recipe, and for daily such interesting recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.